Trellix DLP Online Training. Introduction to Trellix DLP. Trellix DLP, Data Loss Prevention, is a solution designed to protect sensitive data and prevent its unauthorized access or leakage. Here's an overview of its key features and functionalities. Key features: Data Discovery. Trellix DLP can identify and classify sensitive data across various environments, including endpoints, cloud storage, and network traffic. Policy Enforcement. It allows organizations to define and enforce data protection policies. This includes setting rules for data usage, access, and sharing to ensure compliance with regulations and organizational standards. Real-time monitoring. Trellix DLP provides real-time monitoring and alerts for any suspicious or unauthorized activities related to sensitive data. This helps in quickly addressing potential security breaches. Incident Response. The platform includes tools for managing and responding to data loss incidents. This can involve automated actions, such as blocking data transfers or encrypting sensitive files. Integration. Trellix DLP integrates with other security solutions and systems within an organization, such as SIEM, Security Information and Event Management tools, for a more comprehensive security posture. Reporting and Analytics. It offers detailed reporting and analytics on data protection events and policy compliance. This helps in assessing the effectiveness of DLP policies and identifying areas for improvement. Customization. Organizations can customize policies based on their specific needs and regulatory requirements, ensuring that the DLP solution aligns with their unique data protection strategies. Use cases. Compliance helps organizations comply with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA by ensuring that sensitive data is protected and managed according to legal requirements. Risk management reduces the risk of data breaches and insider threats by preventing unauthorized access and leakage of sensitive information. Data protection safeguards intellectual property, financial information, and other critical data from being exposed or stolen. Implementation. Implementing Trellix DLP typically involves deploying agents on endpoints, configuring policies based on data sensitivity and risk assessment, and integrating with existing security infrastructure for enhanced protection and monitoring. Key features of Trellix DLP. Trellix DLP, Data Loss Prevention, offers several key features to help organizations safeguard their sensitive information. Here are some of the primary features. Data Discovery identifies and classifies sensitive data across various endpoints, networks, and cloud environments to ensure that it's properly protected. Policy Enforcement allows the creation and enforcement of customizable data protection policies based on the sensitivity and type of data. Policies can include actions like blocking, alerting, or encrypting data. Real-time monitoring provides continuous monitoring of data access and usage, detecting potential data breaches or policy violations in real time. Incident Response features tools for responding to security incidents, including alerts, automated actions, and detailed reporting for investigating and addressing potential data breaches. Compliance Management assists with regulatory compliance by ensuring that data protection policies meet standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Endpoint protection offers protection for data on endpoints, such as laptops and mobile devices, to prevent data loss from insider threats, malware, or accidental exposure. Cloud data protection extends data protection capabilities to cloud services, securing data stored and processed in cloud environments. Integration capabilities integrates with other security and IT management tools for a unified approach to data protection and threat management. User activity monitoring tracks user activity related to sensitive data, providing insights into potential risks or unauthorized access. Customizable alerts and reporting provides customizable alerts and detailed reports to help organizations monitor data protection status and respond to incidents effectively. How Trellix DLP works. Trellix DLP, Data Loss Prevention, is designed to protect sensitive information from being leaked or misused. Here's how it generally works. Data discovery. Trellix DLP starts by scanning and identifying sensitive data across various locations within an organization's network, including endpoints, servers, and cloud environments. It categorizes this data based on predefined policies and regulations. Policy definition. Administrators define policies that specify what types of data need protection and under what circumstances. These policies can be based on data content, example, social security numbers, credit card information, data context, example, who is accessing the data, and why, and compliance requirements. Monitoring and detection. Trellix DLP continuously monitors data transactions and user activities in real time. It uses various techniques, including content inspection, contextual analysis, and behavior analysis, to detect potential policy violations. Data protection. When a potential violation is detected, Trellix DLP can take predefined actions to protect the data. This may include alerting administrators, blocking access, encrypting data, or quarantining the affected data. Incident management. Trellix DLP provides tools for managing and responding to incidents. Administrators can review alerts, investigate incidents, and take corrective actions. The system typically offers detailed reporting and analytics to understand and address data protection issues. Compliance and reporting. Trellix DLP helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by providing compliance reports and audit trails. These reports document how data protection policies are enforced and help in demonstrating adherence to industry standards. Integration. Trellix DLP often integrates with other security solutions, such as endpoint protection, SIEM systems, and cloud security platforms, to provide a comprehensive data protection strategy. Deployment options for Trellix DLP. 1. On-premises deployment. Description. The Trellix DLP solution is installed and operated on physical servers within your organization's data center. Benefits. Control. Full control over the DLP infrastructure, configurations, and updates. Customization. Greater ability to customize the system to fit specific needs or integrate with existing systems. Data privacy. Data remains within your organization's infrastructure, which can be critical for compliance with certain regulations. Considerations. Hardware and maintenance. requires investment in physical hardware and ongoing maintenance. Scalability. Scaling up involves procuring additional hardware and potentially upgrading the existing infrastructure. Complexity. Higher complexity in managing and configuring the system, as well as applying updates and patches. 2. Cloud deployment. Description. Trellix DLP is deployed on cloud-based infrastructure, hosted and managed by the vendor or a cloud service provider. Benefits. Scalability. Easily scales up or down based on organizational needs without worrying about physical hardware. Accessibility. Accessible from anywhere, which can be advantageous for distributed or remote workforces. Reduced management. Lower burden on in-house IT staff for managing hardware and software updates. Considerations. Data security. Ensuring data security and compliance with regulations may require additional measures, especially for sensitive data. Vendor dependency. Reliance on the cloud provider for uptime, performance, and security. Cost. Ongoing subscription or usage-based costs might be higher in the long term compared to on-premises solutions. 3. Hybrid deployment. Description. Combines elements of both on-premises and cloud deployments, allowing organizations to protect data across both environments. Benefits. Flexibility. Ability to keep sensitive data on-premises while leveraging cloud resources for less sensitive or scalable needs. Cost efficiency. Can be cost-effective by optimizing where data is stored and processed based on its sensitivity and compliance requirements. Balanced approach provides a balance between control and scalability. Considerations. Complexity. Managing a hybrid environment can be complex, requiring integration between on-premises and cloud components. Data consistency. Ensuring consistent policies and protection across both environments can be challenging. Integration. Requires careful planning to integrate with existing systems and workflows. 4. Managed service. Description. Trellix DLP is provided as a managed service by a third-party provider. This includes the deployment, management, and maintenance of the DLP system. Benefits. Expert management. Access to specialized expertise for managing and optimizing the DLP system. Focus on core activities. Allows your IT staff to focus on other priorities while the managed service provider handles DLP operations. Reduced overhead. No need for in-house hardware or dedicated DLP management staff. How Trellix DLP protects sensitive data. Trellix Data Loss Prevention (DLP) is designed to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, leakage, or loss. Here's how it typically works. Data discovery. Trellix DLP scans and identifies sensitive data across endpoints, networks, and cloud environments. It categorizes this data based on predefined policies and sensitivity levels. Policy enforcement. You can define and enforce policies that dictate how sensitive data should be handled. These policies may include rules for data encryption, access controls, and data masking. Trellix DLP applies these policies to ensure compliance and prevent unauthorized access. Real-time monitoring. Trellix DLP continuously monitors data movement and user activity in real time. It detects potential security breaches or policy violations and generates alerts if sensitive data is at risk. Data protection. The system can apply protective measures such as blocking or encrypting data transfers to prevent unauthorized access or leakage. It can also quarantine or redact data based on the established policies. Reporting and analytics. Trellix DLP provides detailed reports and analytics on data usage and policy compliance. This helps in understanding potential vulnerabilities, tracking incidents, and ensuring that data protection measures are effective. Integration with other security tools. Trellix DLP integrates with other security solutions and management platforms to provide a comprehensive approach to data protection and incident response. Deployment options for Trellix DLP. Trellix Data Loss Prevention (DLP) offers several deployment options to accommodate different organizational needs. Here are the primary deployment options for Trellix DLP. On-premises. Description. Trellix DLP can be installed and managed on your organization's own hardware and infrastructure. Advantages. Provides full control over the environment, potentially better integration with existing on-premises systems. Considerations. Requires investment in hardware, maintenance, and management. Cloud-based. Description. The DLP solution is hosted in the cloud, managed by Trellix or a third-party provider. Advantages. Reduces the need for physical hardware, allows for easier scaling and updates, and often offers lower upfront costs. Considerations. Data security and compliance with regulatory requirements need to be carefully managed. Hybrid. Description. A combination of on-premises and cloud-based deployment. Critical data and systems are protected on-premises, while less sensitive data and systems utilize cloud services. Advantages. Offers flexibility and scalability, while maintaining control over critical data. Considerations. Requires integration between on-premises and cloud environments, which may involve additional complexity. Managed Service Provider (MSP). Description. The DLP solution is provided and managed by a third-party MSP. The provider handles deployment, management, and support. Advantages. Leverages the expertise of the MSP, potentially reduces internal resource requirements. Considerations. Dependence on the MSP for support and service quality, and potential issues with data sovereignty. Virtual appliances. Description. Trellix DLP can be deployed as a virtual appliance within a virtualized environment, such as VMware or Hyper-V. Advantages. Simplifies deployment and management in virtualized environments, offers scalability and flexibility. Considerations. Requires a virtualized environment and proper management of virtual resources. Trellix DLP policy configuration and management. Configuring and managing data loss prevention (DLP) policies in Trellix, formerly known as Webroot, involves several key steps. Trellix DLP helps organizations protect sensitive data and prevent data breaches. Here's a general guide on how to configure and manage DLP policies in Trellix. 1. Accessing Trellix DLP. Log into the Trellix console. Navigate to the DLP section. This might be under a specific menu like Security Policies or Data Protection. 2. Creating a new DLP policy. Select Create Policy or a similar option to start a new policy. Name your policy. Choose a descriptive name for easy identification. Define policy scope. Policy type. Choose between different types such as content inspection, device control, etc. Scope. Determine which users, devices, or data types the policy will apply to. 3. Configuring policy rules. Set rules for data detection. Data types. Specify which types of data, example credit card numbers, social security numbers, the policy should monitor. Patterns. Use predefined patterns or create custom patterns for data detection. Define actions. Preventive actions. Specify actions such as blocking access, encrypting data, or alerting the user. Response actions. Set up notifications, logging, or escalation procedures. Customize policy settings. Thresholds. Set thresholds for triggering actions, example, the number of detected incidents before taking action. Exceptions. Define any exceptions to the policy rules if necessary. 4. Testing and validating policies. Run tests. Before applying the policy widely, test it in a controlled environment to ensure it behaves as expected. Review logs. Check the logs and reports generated during testing to verify that the policy is correctly identifying and handling data. 5. Deploying the policy. Apply policy. Once tested, apply the policy to the desired scope, example, specific users, departments, or devices. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor the policy's effectiveness and adjust settings as needed based on feedback and incident reports. 6. Managing and updating policies. Regular reviews. Periodically review and update the policies to adapt to new threats or changes in organizational requirements. Incident management. Analyze incidents and adjust policies to improve data protection measures. 7. Reporting and compliance. Generate reports. Use Trellix reporting features to generate reports on policy compliance and data protection incidents. Compliance checks. Ensure that the policies meet relevant regulatory and compliance requirements. Additional tips. User training. Educate users about the importance of DLP policies and how they impact their daily activities. Integration. Consider integrating Trellix DLP with other security solutions for a more comprehensive approach to data protection. Integrating Trellix DLP with existing security systems. Integrating Trellix Data Loss Prevention (DLP) with existing security systems can enhance your organization's overall security posture by providing comprehensive data protection and threat management. Here's a general approach for integrating Trellix DLP with other security systems. Assess existing security infrastructure. Identify the security systems currently in place, example firewalls, CM systems, endpoint protection. Determine how Trellix DLP can complement these systems and where integration is most beneficial. Define integration objectives. Decide what you aim to achieve with the integration, Example, centralized monitoring, automated responses, improved data visibility. API and connector utilization. APIs utilize Trellix DLP's APIs for integrating with other systems. APIs can facilitate data sharing, incident reporting, and policy enforcement. Connectors check if Trellix DLP provides pre-built connectors for popular security solutions, example, CM platforms, endpoint protection tools. CM integration. Integrate Trellix DLP with your CM system to centralize alerts and logs. This helps in correlation and analysis of security events. Configure log forwarding and ensure that DLP events are properly parsed and categorized in the CM. Endpoint protection integration. Integrate with endpoint protection tools to ensure comprehensive coverage. This can help in managing policies and responses directly from the endpoint protection system. Policy and incident management. Ensure that Trellix DLP policies are synchronized with other security policies in your organization. This helps in maintaining consistency and compliance. Set up automated incident response workflows if supported. For example, when a DLP incident is detected, it could trigger actions in your firewall or CM system. Testing and validation. Conduct thorough testing to ensure that the integration works as expected. Validate that alerts and incidents are properly communicated between systems and that automated responses are functioning correctly. Training and documentation. Train your security team on the integrated system. Ensure they understand how to use the combined capabilities of Trellix DLP and other security systems. Document the integration process, including configurations and workflows, for future reference and troubleshooting. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Regularly review the integration to ensure it continues to meet your security needs. Adjust policies and configurations as necessary based on evolving threats and organizational changes. Why choose ProExcellency for Trellix DLP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Trellix DLP, data loss prevention, online training might be beneficial for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency likely has experienced and knowledgeable instructors who are well-versed in Trellix DLP. This ensures that you receive high-quality training from professionals who understand the intricacies of the software. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover a broad range of topics, from the basics to advanced features of Trellix DLP, providing a well-rounded education that can help you fully understand and utilize the tool. Flexible learning. Online training from ProExcellency typically offers flexibility in terms of timing and location, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Practical focus. They may emphasize practical, hands-on experience with Trellix DLP, ensuring that you can apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. Support and resources. ProExcellency usually provides additional resources, such as access to course materials, forums for discussion, and post-training support, which can enhance your learning experience. Certification preparation. If Trellix DLP offers certifications, ProExcellency might provide training that helps you prepare for these exams, which can be beneficial for your professional credentials. Reputation. ProExcellency's reputation for delivering effective and high-quality training could be a key factor in choosing their services over others. Thank you.